Okay, Gerhard, good morning. Thank you very much for organizing this panel and moderating it. It was outstanding. I think the discussions on the technology, the strategy, the problems that are facing ahead for Europe and globally as well. So how would you put it for the main takeaways of the panel?
I think the main takeaways of the panel is, one happy takeaway is Europe is waking up. Yes. The 2030s with 6G, we will have a lot of personal mobile consumer robotics, and Europe is waking up that we really have a chance in that. And we saw this from Lars, we saw this picked up by Thomas Kopf, we saw this picked up by Caroline from AENAS, we saw this picked up from Björn by Ericsson. So everybody is sort of excited about this idea that yes, currently, if we think of consumer electronics, Europe plays no role. But in the future, in consumer robotics, where electronics plays a lot of role and software plays a role, but is not the only important part, but it is all the other good parts that Europe is so good in, like in sensing, in robotics, in automatic control, and all these other ideas, that we truly have a chance to step forward and take the whole industry, the whole value chain along.
Yes, hopefully we'll do it in due time, right?
That was one other topic we talked about, and I think Caroline pointed that out. She said, yes, I mean, we just have to make sure that we also move faster, and the others chimed in very nicely on that. So how can we make sure that we have funding mechanisms and decision-making and these kind of processes in such a way that the 10 years that we have now, or 9 years until 2030, when 6G is coming, that we're not sitting there and watching others that are doing something, but we're actually the ones that are leading the crowd.
Yes, definitely.
And okay, there I think Gerhard, Europe will play a big role. Yes.
Yeah, we need to, definitely.
Yes.
Thank you very much then. And
you're welcome.
See you next year at the next year's edition for another excellent panel.
Thank you, Louis.
Okay, bye-bye, thanks.
Bye-bye.